Did you know that you don't need to buy expensive stuff to look expensive? Watch this video till the end to master the skills of looking expensive on a budget. Hi everyone, I'm Shruti. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to look expensive on a budget. We're gonna cover everything in this video from head to toe. We're gonna talk about hair, makeup, outfits, accessories, and I'm also going to recommend you products that are on a budget but will elevate your outfit. This is not something that you would like to do every day, or I'm not saying that you should be looking polished every day, but there are some times that you really want to make a statement, look expensive, make an impression, or sort of look elevated. So this is for those days. So without any more further ado, let's get started. So let's get started with the foundations. We need to have our foundations right to add on any other elements. So let's first talk about hair. My favorite look when coming to the hair is a sleek look for polished or expensive look. So when I say sleek look, I do not mean straighten your hair and get that pinpoint look. No, all you need to do is get those flyaways. Any sort of a hair type, be it curly, straight, wavy, you just need to have a frizzless or hair flyaways that are going here and there. So you can use a clear mascara for this, or if you want to invest on a product, then you can get this is a hair sleek product. This I got from Amazon. It's not that expensive. I think it's around 500, but it does the job. It comes for you for a longer time. It sort of looks like clear mascaras. So you just have to tame your flyaways like so, and you're good to go. You can let your hair open and have a sleek look, or you can go for a sleek bun or a ponytail. The second thing that we need to talk about is makeup. In makeup, go for no makeup sort of a look. When I say no makeup, I do not mean just go plain. Use minimal makeup and get those soft glam look like the one I'm wearing right now. Do not go for the loud and colorful look. That will not categorize into an expensive look. The next part is grooming. Get your nails trimmed, get them filed properly, and apply a nail polish. It could be pop of red, a brown shade, or a neutral that I'm wearing right now. I basically prefer something that's neutral and not like bright orange or a blue. That doesn't look that expensive. Next, let's come to the outfit. For outfits, hands down, you can wear complete all black to look expensive. It's very easy peasy. You can just wear all black and look expensive, or you can go for neutrals that are solids, not the printed ones. I prefer neutral solids. If you want to go for anything that's printed, then go for something subtle printed, not the ones that are super overwhelming. Next thing that you need to take care of in the category of outfits is maintaining basics. Basics is really important, be it you want to look expensive, polished, or in general, basics are a must, like the foundation for any of the wardrobe. So invest in a good quality basics. And if you want to know how you can build a capsule wardrobe and what are the qualities and the mistakes that people do while making a capsule wardrobe, I recently made a video on that. I'm gonna put it over here. So once you're done with this video, you can check that out. So when talking about the quality of the fabrics, you need to also take care of the fabrics that you're using. Some fabrics looks really rich and expensive, some don't. So the fabrics that look rich are silk, satin, cotton, linens, cashmere, so on. So the classic pieces you can invest in if you want to maintain that expensive look is a classic shirt, a blazer in black, beige. You can also get this expensive look wearing just a classic shirt and a blazer. Next thing to keep in mind is the fit. Do not go for overly fitted outfits, but go for something loose fitted. I do not say oversized t-shirt, but a shirt which is loose fitted or a top which is loose fitted, something like this, than going for a bodysuit sort of a one. When talking about clothing and outfit, the important thing people often make mistakes on is choosing wrong innerwear. If your panty lines are showing, it doesn't give you that expensive look. So make sure you invest on seamless innerwear or a shapewear that gives you that seamless look, and the colors nude preferably, so that doesn't really see through or give those annoying lines. So next thing that you need to keep in mind is getting these outfits steamed. So when talking about steams, this is one of the best purchase that I had done till now. This is a steamer. You can get a smaller steamer. This basically elevates all my outfits. So whenever you're going for a polished or expensive look, make sure all your outfits are ironed or steamed properly. I use a steamer, not the iron, because steamer gives you that shine in your clothes than the iron. So if you're looking for a basics like a black shirt or a satin shirt or a linen shirt, something that's basic and looks super expensive, you can look at the brands like H&M. You need Uniqlo, Zara, but in the sale season as we are talking about budget. And Westside also sometimes make great quality satin shirts. You can also check Urbanic for basics that are very quality and rich looking, and then also add recommended brands or recommended basics or something that you need to look for in my description. So if you're interested, check that out. So now we're done with the hair, makeup, outfit. Let's talk about accessories. Accessories can make or break your outfits. So getting those minimalistic accessories is a key to make your look expensive. So when I say jewelry, just add simple gold jewelry. I prefer gold because gold makes it look expensive than the silver. So minimal key gold earrings, a bracelet, a watch, that's again very classic. And most importantly, not just this, but when talking about accessories, we also need to take care about your footwear and bags. So when I say bags, try to get those bags that are structured than a bag that is slopey. This will not give you that much of a expensive look than a structured bag. And also try to match your hardware. So if you're wearing gold jewelry, try to match the bag hardware also is having gold tints. Same as the footwear, try to match the outfit. Keep it minimalistic, do not go loaded. Go for minimal stuff like a pointed heels. Again, there's a difference between this and this you see over here. The one is sort of a round stilettos, the other one is a pointed one. The pointed one gives you more expensive feel than a round one. So making sure all of this is on point. And yes, of course, we need to make some effort to make the whole look expensive. It's not just going to be like you wake up and then you roll out of the bed and you look expensive. That is just going to happen in the movies, not in real life. So yeah, go ahead and try these out. Do let me know if I missed something out, and I hope this video was helpful. I'm going to link all the recommended stuff that I spoke in this video. If you like this video, please do share with your friends and give a like. Subscribe and ring that bell icon so that you do not miss on the videos that I'm going to upload next. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.